What's up, guys? It's a new year and a new day and a and it's a new experience for this year. I got this December. Of course, it's just January 1st right now. Good morning, everyone. I'm here to unbox a box. Of course, it's a box, so it's unboxing time. Let's open it. I have the knife right here. A knife that can kill you. Be careful, okay? It's so good, wonderful time of the year. Why it's not opening? Why? I found a love. Wait, what is happening? For me, there is no way it's here. I got this right here. Did you guys guess kung ano ang ina-unbox ko right now? What is it? What is this? Oh, why it's black? It's black, guys. It's black. It's a most wonderful time of the year. It's a 4K Instago 30S. 30S? Yes! What are you doing? What are you doing here? Guys, don't mind her. Stay tuned if you want to watch my unboxing video. I'm gonna unbox this soon, okay? Bye-bye. Bye.